Artist here, and today I'm going to be doing my first ever mail time. As you notice, I do not have my black short on me right now because I traded it away for this masterpiece. I just thought it was really cool. I mean, look at that. Look at that. I'm kind of weird because I really love art. But yeah, so I'll just I won't have it for a couple videos, but I will be sure to get it back. So let's just get started. Okay, the first gift is from Crazy KK326. She said, "Good evening." Let's see what it is. Rare Stegosaurus armor. That's really good. Thank you so much, Crazy KK. Let's give her something back for that. Say thank you so much. I like customizing mine. I don't know why. I just love customized jamograms. Let's see. What should we do for her? I think maybe these rare epic antlers. Those are really cool. There you go. Hope you like it. And then White Bunny Pink 2 said Animal Jam rocks. Yes, it does. And then Antelope 6 said auto please. Sure, I'll give you an auto. Artist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I can't really say that. That kind of stinks, but that's okay. These stars are cool. I like those stars. Okay, the next one is from Antelope 6, the last person. She said, "Please give back if you can. Thank you so much." Of course I'll give it back. Let's see what it is. Rare dragonfly wings. Those are cool. I really like those. Thank you so much. Let's gift her back for that. Loading. Taking a little while. Oh, there we go. Thank you so much. Let's gift her. How about these antlers? Those are cool. What type of jamogram should we give her? I like this crocodile. That's kind of cool. It's not cute, but cool. That's cool. Okay. The next one is from Cute Bear 13. She said, "Sorry, I forgot." Oh, she sent a jamogram without a gift. Oh, you don't have to send me gifts, guys. It's fine. Let's just see what it is. Rare Jamalde winter jacket. That's cool. Thank you so much. Let's give her something back for that. I like that. That's a cool item. Let's put a stamp on it. That's cool. Let's see. How about I kinda wanna give her this, what is it? It's glitchy. Rare gardening hat. Let's give her that. Well, this giraffe, that's really cute. Okay, let's send that away to her. Enjoy it. The next one is from Emmy Kings 5. She said Animal Jam rocks. Let's see what it is. A rare bunny hat. That's really cute. Thank you so much. The next one is from Awesome Sauce 44890. She or he said Animal Jam rocks. Rare panda hat. That's really cute. Let's give her something back. Thank you so. Whoops. Thank you so much. Sticker. I just like customized jamograms. I just think it's really cute. Oh, there's a cheetah one. I didn't know that. They're my favorite animal. They're so cute. Okay. Wait. Was I going to give her something back? Oh. Here, let me just gift her something real quick. Real quick. Let's see. How about this snowman mask? next one is Fire123. I think that's how you pronounce her name. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. She said gift back question mark. Sure, I'll give you back. Rare mammoth tusks. That'll look cool on the elephant. Yeah, let's give her something back. Let's see. How about this hat with dreadlocks? Let's do that. How about the hyena? That's cute. Oops. Okay, the next one is from Oliwa15. I think that's how you pronounce it. She said, "Hey, are you recording?" Yes, I am. I am recording. And then the next one is from Ziz Gaming. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't really know how to pronounce most of these. Sorry. She said Animal Jam rocks. So this is a masterpiece. Oh my gosh, that is so good. I love that. I love masterpieces. Wow, you are talented. Thank you so much. Wow, I'm in all of that. Whoops, there's a little glitch. Let me fix that. Okay, the next one comes from Pumpkin Cat 89. She said Animal Jam rocks. Let's see what it is. Neon hot lights. That's really cool. That'd be good for like a disco party den. That's really cool. Let's give her something back. I like giving back. Thank you so much. Sticker. That's cute. Let's do that. And the gift. What should we give her? How about this phantom mask? That's pretty cool. And then the last one comes from Snowy4476. She said hi. Friendship bracelet? That's cool. That's really cool. Thank you so much. Well, I think that's it for the gifts. Now let's see what I got. Okay guys, so for the clothing items, I got this friendship bracelet, these rare mammoth tusks, this rare panda hat, which I think is really cute, and this rare bunny hat, and this rare Demalde winter jacket, these rare dragonfly wings, and this rare Stegosaurus arm. Now let's see what's in the dead items. Okay, I got these rare neon paw lights. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. I love those. This would really look really cool. And then I got this amazing masterpiece. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so good. You're so good at it. Shout out to you. Wow. Let's see. Oh, she said for what? I said thank you so much, and then she did. So, I think that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.